How do I start these videos again? Hello all, and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and I'm not actually drinking anything today. I just felt like crafting. Today, we're going to be doing another minimalistic painting. I think I titled them like the Simplistic series. It sounded cool, but we have done a couple paintings now that were a lot less bold and bright and had a bunch of colors. They were more simple, just had a few, kind of toned it down a little bit, but they were all equally as beautiful. So we're going to be doing our last painting in that series, and I hope you guys are interested in seeing how it turns out. This Simplistic series has not been going on for a while. We've only done a couple other paintings, and our first one was all metallics. We had gold, silver, and like a copper bronze sort of going on, just on a white background. And then a few weeks ago, we did a black background with white and neon pink in the center. And I was super excited about how that one turned out and that the neon showed up. And it got me thinking about what I could do with some other neon colors. I have the neon pink, and I also have a neon yellow. And seeing how well the other painting turned out made me think, ooh, I should try like a reverse image of this. So instead of doing the black background with the white and pink in the center, today we're going to be doing a white background with black and then the neon yellow in the center. I'm a little worried the black might like drown out the cool neon, but we're gonna give it a go, and I'm super excited to see if it turns out as well as the black, pink, and white simplistic painting that we did. We are using the same size canvas that we used for the previous black, white, and pink Dutch pour, but as I mentioned, we're going to be doing it sort of in reverse. So I've got my white, and I've got my black, and I've got my super neon yellow. When I'm done with these two, I should like invest in a black light or find the black light that I bought in college because I think these paintings would glow really well. So first, as per usual, I'm going to be putting some silicone in all these cups, actually just in the black and the yellow cups. The white is the base and doesn't really need any silicone. So we're going to be putting it into the yellow and black. We're going to flood our canvas with white. We're going to speed through that part because you guys already know how to really do that. Because I am concerned about the black kind of drowning out the yellow, we're going to be doing this a little bit differently, in which I think I don't want so much black, and then I think I'm going to do several dots of yellow, like up here, and maybe down there, whoo, way down there. All right, now we're gonna flood it. And give this a go. Heat it just a little bit, and now we're gonna blow it out. Woo-wee! that looks cool. I am so glad that you can still see the neon yellow in there, despite the black. Woo! All right, so now use my breath to blow out the rest and hope that I don't dunk my hair in the paint again. Okay. Ooh, there's so much cool yellow stuff happening over on this side. Oh, I hope you guys can see all these teeny tiny cells that are forming. They look so cool. Might just be one of those moments where I get it right the first time. I am so glad all the colors, the black didn't drown out the yellow. I think I'm gonna call this one good, guys. Like, this is really cool. And I'm really happy that I've got like a complementary painting to go along with the other neon one. So we're gonna give it time to dry. Once it's dry, I'll give it a nice top coat. Hopefully it'll be nice and sunny outside, and I will show you guys what this looks like all finished up. So I am outside now, and it's time for the final reveal, but guys, I made a mistake. I was so eager to get this piece all glossed up and gorgeous, and unfortunately this past week in Michigan has been very humid, and the painting took longer to dry than I anticipated. And what I thought it was dry, it was not. And so the piece doesn't look as clean as it once did because of my lapse in judgment. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Here she is, and I think she still looks super cool. I still love the colors, but if you look very closely, the cells, all that black smearage is from me trying to brush on the clear coat when it was not fully dry. And I did my best to try to wipe it off, but it still kind of looks, I don't know, it's not as clean as it once was. I still love it, and I'll probably keep this piece, but I think it looks super great. I also brought out the other one we made. So I don't know if I stagger it, like so. I don't know. I like that they are very similar, but kind of the opposite with the different neon colors. I still love both of them. I'll probably try to hang them next to each other. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, despite my error, which I am still very angry about. All of my links are down in the description box below for Instagram, our Facebook page, which still has pieces for sale, and my PayPal account if you would like to donate to the channel. I hope you guys are all still doing well, and I will see you all for the next video.